salto.
Welcome to another tutorial on enhancing your scenes with the Course Rezzer Board. In this video, we'll explore how to add a scoreboard to one of the scenes, providing a great example of incorporating objects into your scenes. However, please note that adding a scoreboard requires some special preparation steps, which we will cover before delving into the rest. Let's begin by bringing out the scoreboard. Our goal is to add it to a specific scene that features a jumping course defined in the Course Rezzer Board. Before we proceed, we need to ensure that both the course and the scoreboard are properly prepared. First, let's prepare the course. Step 1. Res the scene that contains the desired course. Step 2. To avoid conflicts with other courses, it's best practice to define a unique course ID using the menu provided by the blue Course Rezzer. Step 3. Check the text field of the Course Rezzer to validate that the course ID has been successfully set. Step 4. Now, derez the course elements. Please don't forget it, as this is important before we copy the Course Rezzer. Step 5. Important note. Do not use the Firestorm feature to store back the Course Rezzer, as the text field is not updated due to a limitation. Instead, take a copy of the Course Rezzer manually and replace it in the content of the Course Rezzer Board. Step 6. Select the scene with the course again to ensure that the course ID is now being used. Next, let's prepare the scoreboard. Note that you can use the scoreboard menu to scan for the nearby course. This step ensures that the scoreboard is connected to the course by storing the corresponding course ID. This will be kept even if you res it again. Position the scoreboard as preferred within the scene. With the course and the scoreboard prepared, we can now explore two different methods to incorporate the scoreboard into the scene. The first method simplifies the positioning process by utilizing a new root prim object for the scoreboard. Here are the steps. Step 1. Create a new box object. Step 2. Give it the name Scoreboard and add the script from the Course Rezzer Board package. Step 3. Position the box in a standard position, such as one intended for decoration. Step 4. Ensure that the box has the same rotation as the color-coded Rezzer frames and the Rezzer board. Step 5. Select the actual scoreboard object first, followed by the new box, and link them together. Step 6. Attention now, because this is important not to mess up your scoreboard after linking. Right-click to edit, go to the Content tab, and reset the scripts. This will sort out everything, including scanning for the nearby course. Step 7. Take a copy of the linked objects and add it to the Course Rezzer Board. Step 8. Adjust the config note card to include the newly added scoreboard as an element. Step 9. Test it out to verify the functionality. In the latest release, version 1.1, a new script has been introduced to simplify the positioning of additional objects like the scoreboard. Let's proceed with the following steps to apply this alternative method. Step 1. Prepare the scoreboard by adding the required script and giving it a simple name such as Scoreboard 2. Step 2. Create another temporary box object. This box will assist us in obtaining the position information. Step 3. Make the box slightly higher for easy selection. Step 4. Copy the position and rotation values from the Course Rezzer Board. Note that the rotation is only necessary if it's not 0. Step 5. Add the second script, relative position, to the box. This script will pick up the initial values. Step 6. Now, copy the position and rotation of your object, in our case, the scoreboard. Step 7. Click the box and observe the output, which includes delta position, delta rotation, and distance. Important warning: the distance must be below 10 meters due to a limitation in second life. The delta values displayed are exactly what we need for the config note card. Step 8. Take a copy of the scoreboard and add it to the Course Rezzer Board. Step 9. As before, adjust the config note card to include the updated scoreboard element. Step 10. Test it out to ensure everything is functioning correctly. In summary, we've learned how to add a scoreboard to the Course Rezzer Board and incorporate it into a specific scene. We explored two methods: using a new route prim and determining the position using the provided script. Feel free to experiment with these techniques and let your creativity flourish in designing captivating equestrian experiences. Before we conclude, I'd like to invite you to share your thoughts and comments on this tutorial. We value your feedback and would love to hear about your experience. If you have any questions or need further assistance, we encourage you to join our Discord server. It's the best way to connect with our community and receive prompt support from fellow users and the team. Thank you for watching this tutorial, and we hope you found it helpful in expanding the possibilities of your equestrian scenes.